Connecting to your gateway over SSH is an advanced method for running diagnostics, grabbing log files, installing software, or troubleshooting gateway issues. Controlling your gateway over SSH implies using a terminal and the input of various SSH commands. With some gateways, it is needed to copy files onto gateways whilst installing. With others, you may not even need to access the gateway via SSH unless something goes wrong or you wish to use the interface instead of the Crankk dashboard. Gaining SSH access to your gateway is possible from any computer that has an SSH client installed. This can be a smartphone, a personal computer, a tablet, or any other device. If you are using a Mac computer, Mac OS X includes a command line SSH client as part of the operating system too. To use it, go to Finder and select Go Utilities from the top menu. Then look for Terminal. Android devices support SSH access to your gateway too. Download the mobile SSH app from the Play Store. iPhone devices support SSH access to your gateway with apps like Terminus or WebSSH. Download one from the App Store. The process, as explained, is done using the built-in SSH client on a Windows 11 PC without the need for any additional software tools. In another video, we will also explain how to use Putty.exe. You can find that video in the description below. Click the Windows Start button or hit the Windows key on your keyboard to open up the Start menu. Type CMD in the search bar and select Command Prompt from the menu. This launches CMD.exe, the Windows terminal where we will input the command to connect to our gateway. In the terminal, type the command SSH Crankk. Then enter your gateway IP address. If you don't know the IP address, you can find this in a number of ways, but we recommend Advanced IP Scanner as the easiest method. The first time your computer makes an SSH connection to this gateway, you have to approve the authenticity of your gateway. Type yes and hit enter. The terminal now asks for the SSH password to log in to your gateway. By default, this is B at TCH0N3. Type the password and hit enter. The typed password remains invisible for security reasons, but it will still work when you hit enter as long as it is typed correctly. Your Crankk gateway is now listed as an active connection. This indicates you have successfully established a secure shell connection between your computer and your gateway. Depending on your gateway, it is necessary to get root privileges first to get full access. Check the username for your gateway in the terminal. If it starts with root @ then you are good to go. If it starts with crank @ then type sudo su and hit enter. Notice the username changes from crank @ to root @ You are now ready to input commands. Every command should be applied by hitting the enter key. Try it out. Type docker ps-a and hit enter. This command will return a list of all installed Docker containers with their respective container ID, status, and uptime. Congratulations, you can now use the commands listed on the wiki help page. If you are already familiar with the process, you can use the SSH connection to install the other software on your gateway such as Helium or Honeygain for multimining. Happy cranking!